Yo, what's up, guys? Back at it again with another daily technical analysis video. So, I just saw this gigantic Wyckoff accumulation pattern. I believe it's a more of an accumulation pattern, but it could be distribution. So, take a look at this. So here's the accumulation schematic, right? We have preliminary stop right here, automatic rally, secondary test, trading, spring. And I think this is where we might be right here. Look, the spring, how it's almost below. I mean, technically it's not, but I think we could have a further downwards action to confirm a spring. But we have right here preliminary stop, automatic reaction, and then trading, secondary test, kind of, right? And then another retest, another automatic reaction or up thrust, and then now we're down at the spring, but I think we could within the next few days to a week go down, because also we do have actually, let's get to that in a second. But you know we're more bearish, I think, for the next few days, or next few days slash the next week. So on the weekends, it's going to be trading sideways, obviously, like crypto is. But if we were in a distribution and we go down again, we would be at the show of weakness right now. So if we were at the distribution, right, we would have had the up thrust right here, the up thrust slash secondary test. And right now we'd be at the show of weakness where we go down further, trade like boom, 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 and then, go down further. So if we take a look at the liquidation heat map, we do have a lot of shorts right now, more shorts than longs. So that could indicate price going down, right? That also could, the market could come up and grab it, obviously. Either way, way more shorts. We have 2 billion compared to 1 billion. So literally double the amount of shorts. So the market could come up and grab it, a little bit. Wherever it is, 63K. I think that's where it was. 62K, 63K, and a little gap right here. So 63K would be good upwards to take that, and then we dump back down. So yeah, basically either, I don't know which one exactly it looks more like, but like I said, I think we are more in the accumulation one where we go up because we are kind of at the spring, but it also could be actually, now that I think about it, it's actually more of a distribution because we have the AS, whatever that means. Not exactly sure what that means. I can't remember. But you know, considering we came from an upwards trend, came from this, and then we had the secondary test, right? Actually, that would be up here, secondary test. So we, like, literally, I'm not exactly sure, I'm still learning, guys. Come on. But basically, yeah, we're in a giant Wyckoff accumulation or distribution pattern, either one. My opinion, it's an accumulation pattern because obviously we're going to go up, but this could prolong basically, and we have a slight downwards action for another secondary test of here, 58K, and possibly this is the show of weakness right now, and then we go down here to 52K. But maybe next week, we trade back up a little bit into this range to prolong the pattern because we have a good amount of shorts and the market might want to take that. Might want to take that liquidity, right? So yeah, let's go back to the candlestick charts, because on the daily, on my other chart over here, we in this little channel that we've been trading in, this fat channel, we've been trading in this tight channel ever since the last dump, and we just closed a candle below this support and resistance line. So, that could indicate that we might see a little bit more downwards action, or on the weekend we might come up or after the weekend we might come up and grab it, go back into the channel and grab all the liquidations, the liquidity at 63K just about, and fake out above it and grab it and then go below. But it's just too early to tell exactly what's happening. That giant daily, you could even call it almost a weekly Wyckoff pattern that we're clearly forming, right here, where we're just trading in this even tighter channel on the weekly. And it's just we are rolling over a little bit, so it could indicate a little bit of downwards action before a giant pump, because we are technically, I guess we are in distribution, right? Obviously, because we tried to go up, couldn't, went back down. The bears bought, or bulls bought, tried to send it higher, they couldn't, and now we're right here where the bulls really have to buy a lot and do a lot to pump the price. But we are actually in mad distribution right now, and we're gonna have fake outs. It's gonna look like we're going up, but if you take a look at the weekly, it's, even if we go up to 63K, it wouldn't even be that crazy, because last week, literally, or this week actually, we were at 63K. So if we went up next week, it wouldn't even be that crazy. It'd still be in a tight channel. And yeah, I don't even know what else to say. Literally, there's just not a lot going on. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Some boring stuff. Gonna be even more boring on the weekends, but I'll still try to make a video regardless. And maybe I'll get some more. I'll definitely get some more on-chain indicators and all that. Could take a look at this. Actually, yeah, I did want to show you guys this. So right now, where we are, we're in the green, right? And that's accumulate. So we're in the accumulate slash in the buy zone. Actually, you see that right here, the second we're in the buy zone. We're in the buy and accumulate, and the last time we were in buy accumulate was over here, right at 10K, literally right after the halving. Well, every single halving it's buy and accumulate, right? These are the dotted lines are the halving. So we're in buy and accumulate right now. Let me zoom in. So yeah, the last time we were at 9K, 10K at the last halving in 2020, which is just insane. And then pretty much just upwards dude, there's barely any downwards action since from the last halving, So is that gonna repeat? Are we gonna have barely any downwards action? And the worst thing that happens is we go to 50K. That's what it looks like historically, since the last halving. So, we're at a critical moment where Bitcoin literally is prime time to buy. So, yeah, there's no reason to be there's no reason to say the bull market's over. That is just delusional to say, delusional to think, because the halving just happened. Why would the bull market end and Bitcoin top out after the halving? That it just doesn't happen. It never has happened. So why would it happen right now? See, the last halving, Omega bull run. Last halving, Omega bull run. Or not last, but 2016 bull run, 2020 bull run. Why would it not be the same? It's just and if we go to the stock to flow, literally same stuff. Goes into the orange, bull run. Goes into the orange, bull run. Goes into the red/orange, bull run. We're in the red, critical zone. Like, it's just it's bull run. Like, yeah, there's gonna be dips. There's gonna be fake ups. You know, we're not gonna go straight up. Like, it never goes straight up like a straight arrow, obviously. So, yeah, now that's actually all I got for you guys. So, yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.